Race number 9. Gates open, they're up and racing. Magic Minx, Delightful Bell, moving up, Libre Lang, Sparkling Luster, then comes Plan of Attack, followed by La Sombra, Embraceable, Super Ligera, Sorry outside, Schematics, Careless Moment, rather that show no emotion by the rail, Impulsive Decision, Rio de Honor, and Diamond Dane is in behind them. Past the last 900 and this time passing the last 800. Magic Minx this time by about a length and a half. Sparkling Luster moving a party outside is Libre Lang. Now we have Magic Minx, Libre Lang now in second. Delightful Bills down in third. Super Legera moving a party outside as they swing towards the last 450. Magic Minx by about high plank. Moving up is Super Legera and this time almost catching the lead as they turn for home. Magic Minx, Super Legera is sorry outside. Delightful Bell, Libre Lang, La Sombra is sorry outside. With the last 150 more to run, we have Super Legera. Magic Minx is in second. Moving up is La Sombra. With the last 75 meters more to run, it's Super Legera, La Sombra is sorry outside, and finally it's going to be Super Legera, La Sombra, Magic Minx, Diamond Dane, Delightful Bell, and Libre Lang for your Super Sais.